What's the meaning of bacteria? Bacteria. Bacteria.
Bacteria. Bacteria. Bacteria are microscopic single-cell organisms that can be found in virtually every habitat on Earth. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes and can inhabit a huge range of environments, from the deep sea to the human gut. Many forms of bacteria are beneficial to humans, aiding in digestion and serving as an integral part of the body's immune system. However, some bacteria can also cause harmful infections and diseases. Bacteria are prokaryotic, meaning they lack a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles found in eukaryotic cells. They reproduce asexually through binary fission and can exchange genetic material through a process known as horizontal gene transfer.